everyone, this is your Mad Yogi Eileen, welcoming you back to your Espresso Flow class. So for this one, it is quite strong. Yes, it's very strengthening and it's very confronting for our mental and emotional state in terms of the intensity of the flow. And as that word suggests, we are going to do the intense side stretch. Yes, so please listen out for the instructions for your arm support, because the more weight that is on that front leg, the more intense the flow or intense the sensation is for that front leg, especially for the hamstrings and the calves, and maybe even for the attachments attachments of the muscles around the knee. Yes, so please listen out. But before that, let's do a quick workshop, and then when you come back to this class, which I encourage you to do, you're welcome to skip to the class itself. Yes, but for our intense side stretch, so this is what I was saying. Your hands can be in strong claw shapes, and you're pushing yourself up from your leg to pare back the intensity of the pose. You are also welcome to use your blocks here if you have blocks. Yes, you will hear me say some options. So this is one option: strong claw hands, and you're pushing your body weight off of your front leg, or bring your body weight on your front leg and your hands are still in line with your front foot, just for you to be able to pare it back quickly if you want to. Yes, or you're also welcome to walk your hands as far forward, conversely as far back as you want. Bringing your hands towards the back increases the intensity on that front leg, because we are leaning on our front leg in this version. Yeah, with the version towards the front, you have that lengthening of the body, of the upper body, but you're still able to pare back the intensity on that front leg by pushing yourself off of your leg. Okay, so listen out for your options, and you're always welcome to stick to your favorite or play around with the intensity. Yes. Alright, so let's come to the top of our mat. Feet 1 hip width distance, roll your shoulders, just prepare the body first, warming up a little bit. We're going to flow to our downward facing dog and then do our intense side stretches. Bend the knees, backs of the hands together, wave your arms up. Shallow or deep back bend, push your hips forward, squeezing back up, candle arms. Slide your spine down, forward fold. Finger pads any height on your shins or down on the mat, and inhale, waving up halfway. Exhale down, step back. This espresso flow is really nice to supercharge yourselves in the morning. Yeah, all the way down. Squeeze the back, hands up, low cobra. Press them down, higher cobra, or upward facing dog. Pushing back up, full plank, bend the knees and push back. And we are now in a downward facing dog or puppy pose if you want, heels up and knees bent. Yeah, a few spinal waves here first. Belly up, chest, head, exhale down. 2 more, inhale, waving up, exhale down. 1 more, inhale, waving up, exhale down. I'm going to start with the left leg. Left leg curls up, thigh to belly. Point the knee back, up, extend. Wave yourself forward, 3-legged plank. Curl your leg through and step. We are now in a low lunge. Yeah, heels of the hands start lifting up. You are in claw hands, and push yourself back until that back heel is down, but your front knee is straight, and we are in a humble warrior. Follow through by pushing back. Attach your belly to your thigh. Don't detach that. Lengthen out your front knee. And we are already in an intense side stretch. But let's just prepare the muscles of the legs first. Back heel lifts up. Front knee bends. Low lunge. push back, intense side stretch. Back forward, low lunge, push back, intense side stretch. One more, forward, low lunge, push back, intense side stretch. Now for your options for your arms, that relates to the intensity on that front leg, yeah? Hands slide in line with your front foot and push your body weight off of your leg, looking forward. Breathe here. Stay or land the left side of your body on your left leg and walk your hands forward. You're welcome to let your head go here now and breathe. Stay, or our last option, hands towards the back, fingers pointing to the back this time, and you're crawling your hands as far back as the length of your arms will go. This is the most intense version of this pose. Breathe. At any point, if it gets too much for that front leg, push your body weight off of that leg. From here, reset your hands a la plank, coming back to your humble warrior. Bend your front knee, back heel still down. Now lift your back heel once again. The right side of the body already feels like it's in a plank, and spring back. Full plank. All the way down or halfway for those who want chaturanga. Cobra or upward facing dog. Back through plank. Bend the knees, push back, puppy pose. Or downward facing dog. My shirt is in my mouth. Spinal wave, belly up. Chest, head, exhale down. Two more, inhale, waving up. Exhale down. Inhale, waving up. Exhale down. Right side. Right leg curls up. Thigh to belly. Point the knee back. Up. Extend. Don't shortcut that. Wave forward. Three-legged plank. Curl your leg through. And step. Low lunge. Push back. Humble warrior. From here, that mini flow. Back to low lunge. Push back. Front knee straight this time. Intense side stretch. Low lunge. Intense side stretch. Front knee straight, yeah. Low lunge. Pushing forward. Intense side stretch. From here, hands come in line with your front foot. The heels of the hands lift up and push yourself off of your front leg. Or land, bending your elbows to the back. Or walking your hands forward. Or walking your hands back. If you've noticed my hands are now flat, you're welcome to do that as well, or stay in claw hands, and again, lift your body weight off of your front leg if it's too much. Crawling back forward, back heel lifts up, front knee bends, we are back in a low lunge and spring back, plank. Looking forward, knees down, push back in an extended, I've been saying intense so much, that's all I can say. Extended child's pose. From this, support your head, elbows close to your knees, hands in fists, stack them, and support the head. And breathe here. From here, push yourself back up and repeat as many times as you want, and I will see you in the next class. Bye!